While the second person I interviewed, the name of his business is Rice and Corn Milling and Sari-Sari Store. Okay, what's the name of your business?
So the name of my business is Store So Bless. Store So Bless.
What are the challenges that you experience being a businesswoman?
First, I think the market size of the place or the location of your business. So that is one or the primary problem of any businesses. But then I think, the size of the market, how you will build loyalty in the heart of your customers, and how to realize all the goals and of course your aspirations of the business that you have in mind. So that's it.
Then how do you overcome the challenges in handling your business? For the loyalty problem, I think it is all about building a relationship with a customer. It is about marketing strategies at the same time and being true. And of course, I think every entrepreneur can overcome any obstacles when he or she stays true to her goals, and of course, build very important aspects when it comes to business. I think it's honesty, the integrity that you have. So your and of course the quality of the the products that you give out to the market. So I think every person or every customers will go back to a store or a marketplace where integrity is present, honesty, and even kindness. So I think with that three, anyone can overcome any obstacles in any business that you wanted to build or you are building right now. Okay, thank you.
Oh.
My name is Miracle Campuso Bacordo. I'm here at Mr. Oliver Albarico with her beautiful wife. What? Beside me is Mr. Oliver Albarico. Sir, what's the name of your business?
Rice and corn milling business and sari-sari store.
What are the challenges that you experience being an entrepreneur or a businessman?
As I observe, as a milling services, milling rice and corn mill, it is very difficult for me because I'm here in barangay and most of my customers always there are some there is a some as credit and challenging for me because my my income is unstable and I do my best to service them all and I give them good services.
How do you overcome the challenges in handling your business?
This kind of businesses, most of them are mas mahirap kasi lalo na ngayon crisis. Ang daming taxes sa gobyerno, sa municipal, sa DNR, ang dami DIR. So halos lahat ng income ko doon na naubos, manpower service, sa mahal ng mga bilihin, sahod ng tao, tapos utangin pa ng mga tao, yun, hirap, that's all.
Okay, thank you. For me, I choose their success stories because in our barangay, these two persons are successful managing business in our barangay. I really admire the two of them on how they handle or manage their business. I like they handle the customer good services
and build loyalty in the heart of customer. I know success stories can serve as inspiration, motivation, and learning opportunities in the students will as you can gain valuable insights into strategies, challenges overcome, and best practice that can help you in your own entrepreneurial journey. And also it applied them to your own business and endeavors as soon as possible.